friends, let's take a brain break and move our bodies. Today I'm focusing on gratitude. I'm so grateful for my body. It does so much for me, it moves me through my day, and I can change how I feel by just moving. So first we're going to stand just comfortably and put our hands on our tummy. Take a deep breath in and blow it all the way out, and just notice how you feel. Anything you feel is perfect. Today I'm feeling kind of tired and I need some energy. So I'm going to start with some gentle twisting. And you can let your hands swing all around and tap your low back and waist. That'll help wake up that part of your body. Very nice. I'm feeling more energetic already. So next I'm going to just stretch my arms up, wiggle your fingers, and reach really, really, really tall. You can get up on your tippy toes if you want. And take a deep breath in and release. And just let your arms swing back up. Take a deep breath in and release. And we're going to do this about 3 to 5 times. And this is a really great energizer. Nice. And next we're going to do a sun moon stretch. So I'm going to take a deep breath in and blow it all the way out. And then hold the moon. Watch it rise and shine on your cactus arms. Look at one of your arms. Nice. And we'll do that one more time. Deep breath in and hold the moon. Watch it rise and shine on your cactus arms. And look at your other hand. Nice. And take another deep breath in. Put your hands on your belly. Blow it all the way out. And notice how you feel. I feel energized and also relaxed. So next we're going to do a breathing exercise. You can do this seated or standing, and it's gratitude breathing. So I can hold my hands like I'm holding a cup. I'm going to take a deep breath in, and as I blow out, I'm going to think about someone or something I'm grateful for and blow into my cup. And take another deep breath in. And it could be anything or anyone that you're grateful for. And then when you feel like your cup is overflowing with gratitude, I like to put it on my head because it's silly, it makes me laugh. And then I also feel joy and gratitude. Nice. Thanks for coming today. I'm grateful for you.